Hey guys, it's Tory. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, it's free. And I would love for you guys to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and it supports my channel. Okay, so this is the paper towel holder and it should be solid wood. What I'm going to do is take sandpaper, and I'm just using actually what I have at home. So this is actually only 400 grit. So I'm started a little bit. I'm hoping it will work. And what we're going to do is just kind of sand it a little bit and then re-stain this. And I saw this at the thrift store and it was $1. So I was like, it's wood. I could totally stain it, redo it. I thought that was so cute. And we could do it together. So let's go ahead and just keep sanding, and then we're going to stain it together and then see what it looks like. So, and it actually did not have any watermarks on it, but of course instead of just wiping it down, I stuck it in the dishwasher, and I should not have done that. So that is a lesson learned. So I should have just wiped it down to clean it. More, but I think it's pretty good. And we're going to just wipe it really well, get all that kind of debris, dust off, and then we're going to stain it. Super excited. So I'm just taking a paper towel. It's dry. And I am not a professional by all means. There may be a better way, but this is just how I'm doing it. So, and obviously I'm going to clean this first, this area, because we don't want it to sit in that stuff. So we're going to use this stain. This is oil-based wood stain, advanced formula, and this is a walnut. And I just kind of mixed it a little bit this way. And we are going to put gloves on, some latex gloves or vinyl gloves. I don't really know what these are. And we're going to use a brush. You go ahead and open this stain up. And I'm just using a screwdriver, a flathead, to loosen it. Okay. And I have some paper towels in case we make a mess. All right, so let's put this on here. So we're just going to dab a little bit. We don't want to saturate it. And let's just kind of start here. Trying to get my groove on which way I want to do it. And then you should probably just kind of still try to go in the same direction. But we're going to have to do more than one coat, so. So after it dried, I shellacked it with Mod Podge. And what do you guys think? I have a little touch up I need to do here, but other than that, I think it turned out really cute. And it was only $1. So what do you guys think? Is this something I should keep? Leave your comments below, let me know. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.